Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you top 5 productivity tips for work. So boosting productivity at work involves managing time, tasks, and focus. And through this video, I'm going to show you 5 actionable tips. First one, you can prioritize tasks with 80-20 rule. You can focus on high impact tasks. Identify the 20% of tasks that generate 80% of the results. You can allocate your time and energy to these critical tasks. You can use tools such as utilize to-do lists or task management apps such as Trello or Todoist. And the second one, you can leverage time management techniques. You can use the Pomodoro techniques, work for 20 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. You can also do time blocking, so schedule your day in dedicated time blocks for specific tasks. And avoid multitasking, so just focus on one task at a time to maintain quality and efficiency. The third one, minimize distractions. So limit notification. You can turn off non-essential notification on your phone and computer and try to create a focus-friendly environment. You can use noise cancelling headphones or play focus enhancing musics. And the fourth one, you can also practice the 2-minute rule. Complete small tasks immediately, such as if a task takes less than 2 minutes, you can do it right away. And reduce procrastination. For larger tasks, break them into smaller steps to make them more manageable and less intimidating. The last one, you can take care of your well-being. So take breaks and stay hydrated and eat healthily. You can drink water and eat snacks that boost your energy like nuts or fruits. And don't forget to exercise. And bonus tip, you can at the end of the day, you can spend 5 to 10 minutes to review what you do in a day, what you accomplished, what could be improved, and plan for the next things. So by incorporating these tips into your daily routine, I hope you'll create a sustainable system for staying productive and reducing stress at work. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.